What if you could put a single unit of currency to work today and watch it multiply exponentially over time, all without you lifting a finger? The wealthiest people on earth have all mastered one core principle to build their fortunes. Are you also ready to join a community where you can win future weekly $100 cash giveaways just for learning? In this video, we will demystify that principle and give you the strategic blueprint for making your first investment. Don't go anywhere, because your journey to building unstoppable wealth starts now. Let's begin with the foundational law that separates the wealthy from the rest, which is compound interest. Albert Einstein famously called it the eighth wonder of the world. At its core, compound interest is simply the process of earning returns not just on your initial investment, but also on the accumulated returns from previous periods. It's like a financial snowball effect. Your money makes money, and then that money makes more money, and so on. In the early stages, the growth is slow, almost unnoticeable. But as time goes on, the growth becomes exponential, accelerating at an incredible rate. The wealthy understand that the most valuable asset in this equation isn't a stock or a piece of real estate, it's time. The longer you give your money to compound, the more powerful it becomes. This is why you must begin now. The biggest regret of any wealthy person isn't that they didn't start with more, it's that they didn't start sooner. Now for the blueprint. How do you make your first investment and put this powerful principle to work for you? You don't need a huge amount of capital to start. A strategic approach is far more valuable. First, start with a low-cost, broad market index fund. This is the most intelligent and low-risk way for a beginner to get into the market. An index fund is a type of mutual fund or ETF, exchange-traded fund, that holds a diversified portfolio of stocks designed to mirror a specific market index, like the S&P 500. By investing in this, you are instantly buying a piece of hundreds of the most successful companies in the market, diversifying your risk from day one. You are not betting on a single company. You are betting on the entire market to grow over the long term, which it always has. Second, automate your investments. The wealthy don't rely on willpower. They set up automated transfers to their investment accounts. This ensures that you consistently invest a portion of your income every single month, without having to think about it. This removes emotion from the equation and builds a disciplined habit. Third, think long-term. Remember, compound interest is a long-term game. Your first investment isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about planting a seed that will grow into a forest over decades. Resist the urge to check your investments every day. True wealth is built with patience and an unwavering long-term vision. This journey requires a crucial mindset shift, from a consumer of the world to an owner of the world. The average person spends their money on liabilities, things that depreciate and take money out of their pocket. They are consuming the products and services that others have created. The wealthy, however, use their money to buy assets, ownership stakes in the companies that are creating those products and services. When you buy a smartphone, you are a consumer. But when you buy a piece of a company that makes smartphones through an index fund or stock, you are an owner. This is the fundamental difference. By making your first investment, you are making a powerful statement. You are no longer just participating in the economy. You are now an owner, a shareholder, and a wealth builder. This isn't just about money, it's about changing your role in the world. To put this into action, here are the simple, practical steps you can take to make your first investment today. Number 1. Open an investment account. Choose a reputable online brokerage firm and open an investment account. Many major firms have no fees for opening an account and offer commission-free trading. Number 2. Fund the account. Transfer a small amount of money from your bank account to your new investment account. Even 20 to 50 units of currency is a powerful start. Number 3. Buy a low-cost index fund. Use the money in your account to buy a broad market index fund. Example, an S&P 500 index fund. This is your strategic play. Number 4. Set up automated transfers. Set up a recurring transfer from your bank account to your investment account for every payday. This is how you build unstoppable momentum over time. Remember, your financial journey is a reflection of your mindset and your actions. By making your first investment, you are taking a decisive step toward becoming an owner and building a life of true financial freedom. It's time for a value exchange. Amazing audience! It's a giveaway. and it's all about growth. To participate and get your name in the ring, comment instantly with the precise learning you genuinely gain from our video. This is your moment to prove you were here, that you truly absorbed the value. And we'll be checking. We rigorously verify winners' comments for genuine engagement. If your comment triggers an illusion or is unreal, you will lose the reward. A quick heads up, you must follow our Instagram handle in description to be eligible. If you don't, we can't get your prize to you, and you'll lose it. For all the must-know giveaway details, find the dedicated video link in the description. Our promise is our value, explosive finance knowledge, relentless support, and verified paths to explode your wealth. Think smart, act now, and become unstoppable. Like, subscribe, and let's get you to the next level in the next video.